Understanding Armed and Dangerous, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in news reports, movies, and books. Armed and dangerous. This expression can sound quite serious, and it is. Understanding its meaning and use will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you grasp the context in various English-speaking environments. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be armed and dangerous. The phrase, armed and dangerous, is made up of two parts that are key to understanding its full meaning. Let's look at them. Armed. This word means carrying a weapon. It doesn't specify what kind of weapon. It could be anything from a gun to a knife or even something more unconventional. The key point is that the person has some form of equipment intended to inflict harm. Dangerous. When we say someone or something is dangerous, we mean they are capable of causing harm or injury. It's a broad term that can apply to people, animals, situations, and even objects. When combined, armed and dangerous describes a person who not only possesses a weapon but is also considered a threat to the safety of others because they might use that weapon. Understanding the context in which armed and dangerous is used is crucial for grasping its full implications. This phrase is often seen in law enforcement contexts, such as in police reports or news broadcasts, where an individual is considered a significant threat to public safety. However, it can also appear in less formal situations, like in movies or stories, to build tension and indicate that a character is very threatening. It's important to note that this phrase carries a strong connotation and should be used with care. Misusing it can cause unnecessary alarm or misunderstanding. Being labeled armed and dangerous has serious implications. For individuals described this way, it often means they are actively being sought by law enforcement, and the public is warned to be cautious and avoid interactions with them. This label can escalate situations, making them more dangerous for everyone involved. Understanding this phrase helps English language learners to comprehend news reports, stories, and discussions about safety and crime. Recognizing the gravity of this term is crucial in understanding the seriousness of the situations it describes. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and use of armed and dangerous. We hope this video has shed light on this important phrase and its significance in English. Remember, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and helps you navigate English-speaking environments more effectively. Stay safe, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.